Students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel section. Today in this video, we will see a video related to GSEB solution for class 7th Mathematics, Chapter 2, Fractions and Decimals. Exercise 2.2, question 1 to 4. Let's see the first question. Which of the drawings A to D show? So 2 and 1 by 5, 2 and 1 by 2, 3 and 2 by 3, 3 and 1 by 4. Now see which drawing is been seen here. So figure D represents 2 times 1 by 5, that is 2 and 1 by 5. Figure B represents 2 times 1 by 2, that is 2 into 1 by 2. Figure A represents 3 times 2 by 3, that is 3 and 2 by 3. Figure C represents 3 times 1 by 4, that is 3 into 1 by 4. Second question. Some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show. So 3 into 1 by 5, that is 3 upon 5. 2 into 1 by 3, that is 2 upon 3. 3 into 3 by 4, that is 2 and 1 by 2. So which figure shows here? So let's see. So picture C shows 3 and 1 by 5, that is 3 by 5, because 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 will become 3 and 1 by 5, which is the left hand side of the picture, and the right hand side of the picture shows 3 upon 5. Next picture A shows 2 and 1 by 3, that is 2 upon 3, because 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 equals to 2 and into 1 by 3, which is the left side of the picture, and the right side of the picture shows 2 by 3. Picture B shows 3 and 3 by 4, that is 2 and 1 by 4, because 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 will become 3 and 3 by 4, which is left hand side of the picture. Note that the left hand side of the picture has 9 1/4, that is 9 into 1 by 4, and 2 and 1 by 4, that is 9 complete triangles and 1 by 4 of the third triangle, which is shown by the picture on the right side. Third question. Multiply and reduce the lowest form and convert into mixed fraction. So first we have to multiply this. 7 into 3 by 5. Nothing will cut here, so we will simply multiply 7 into 3 upon 5. So 7 into 3 is 21 upon 5. So we have to convert that into mixed fraction, so it will become 4 and 1 by 5. 4 and 1 by 3. So 4 into 1 by 3, that is 4 into 1 upon 3 equals to 4 upon 3. So mixed fraction is 1 and 1 by 3. Next 2 and 6 by 7. So 2 and 6 by 7 equals to 2 into 6 upon 7. So 2 into 6 is 12 upon 7. Mixed fraction is 1 and 5 by 7. Next 5 multiplied by 2 upon 9. So 5 into 2 upon 9 equals to 5 into 2, 10 upon 9. So the mixed fraction is 1 and 1 by 9. Next 2 upon 3 into 4. So 2 upon 3 into 4 equals to 2 multiplied by 4 upon 3. So 8 upon 3 equals to 2 and 2 by 3. Next 5 upon 2 into 6. So 5 upon 2 into 6 we will multiply. We can cut it also. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So 3 into 5 is 15, or we can do 3 upon 6 is 30 upon 2, that is 15. Next 11 into 4 by 7. So 11 into 4 is 44 upon 7. So 44 upon 7 is the answer. Mixed fraction is 6 and 2 by 7. 20 into 4 upon 5. Here also 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. So 4 fours are 16 directly you can do, or you can do 4 20 into 4, that is 80 upon 5. So we will divide, we will get 16 as the answer. Next, 13 into 1 by 3. So 1 into 13 upon 3. 13 upon 3 is the answer, and mixed fraction is 4 into 1 by 3. 15 into 15 into 3 by 5. So we can cut it here. 3 upon 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So 3 threes are 9. Or you can do 15 into 3, that is 45 upon 9. 45 upon 5. So we can cut it and we will get the answer as 9. Next, shade half of the circles in box A. A के अंदर जितने boxes है, we have to circle the half. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 box circles are there. So we have to shade only the half. So 12's half is 6. So we will shade only 6 circles. Now 2 by 3 of the triangles in box B. So we will count box B, how many triangles are there. So 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. 2 by 3 of 9 equals to 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 3 2s are 6. So we will shade 6 triangles. Next, 3 upon 5 of the square in a box C. So we will calculate how many boxes are there in squares are there in a box. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 5s are 15. 15 boxes are there. So 3 upon 5 of the square equals to 3 upon 5 into 15. So 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9. 9 square we will multiply. So this was a video related to the exercise of class 7. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.